In March of 2023, I tore my ACL and I reached out to Emmanuel for a surgeon here in town, and he recommended me to the best. Within 3 weeks, I was in surgery and I rehabbed for about the next 11 months. And that same week that I returned to sport, I was able to compete in High Rocks in Houston, Texas, where my team and I took second place. As a collegiate athlete, I knew that I could trust Dr. Emmanuel because he was very adamant on not rushing the process and giving my body the complete time to heal and being patient with me throughout my rehab journey. For anyone out there going through an ACL injury, listen to your body. Come visit Elite Alliance Physical Therapy. Dr. Emmanuel is the greatest. You're in good hands. And if it hurts when you move it, they do.